patient, bed to chair, and then chair to bed po. So first is we need to review po the medical chart of the patient to see yung physical limitations po niya sa mga activities na magagawa natin for today. And after that is you can now perform hand hygiene, and you can also wear gloves if necessary po or if kailangan. Then after that, you can now identify po the patient and explain the procedure. So the day, sir, I will wish no my student who is for today. So yung gagawin lang po natin is transfer ko lang po kayo dito po sa chair na to. So is that okay, sir? May I also have your name and date of birth, please? Okay po. Now, after that, we can now provide privacy po by closing the curtains or the door po. After that, we can now adjust the bed po sa comfortable working position natin. And then, we can also check na rin po the brakes ng bed natin and also if may brakes po yung chair natin. So, kailangan natin silang i-lock, and if wala naman pong brakes yung chair, is pwede po natin siyang i-secure po sa mga object para hindi siya gumalaw pag i-transfer natin yung patient. Then after that is you can now position po the patient dito po sa side para mas madali po natin siya maiupo later on. Position lang natin. Once lang position na natin yung patient, we can now lower the side rail. We can now position ourselves po. After that, ipoposition natin yung sarili natin sa gilid po ng bed, sa harap mismo ng patient, para makapag-assist po tayo agad. And now, we can have the patient sit na po. So, ibababa natin yung paa niya, na dapat nakadangle po yan sa bed. Then, inuupo natin siya sa bed. So, pag nag-ayos na po yung patient natin, we can assess po if nakakaramdam po ng dizziness yung patient natin. So, may hilo po ba kayo, sir? Kung nararamdaman niyo po, okay lang po. Okay, so we can now put on po yung robe po nila. And also, footwear po. So, i-assist po natin sila sa paglagay ng mga to. After nun is, pwede na po natin ilagay yung gate belt po nila para mas ma-assist po natin sila. So, just going to assume po na nakalagay na yung gate belt po nila. And then, I'm going to position myself po. Kung meron po tayong bed frame is, I'm going to position myself po sa harap po mismo ng patient. And then, tatayo po natin yung patient natin. Tatayo ka lang siya sa okay, pagtatayo po, syempre ilalagay na natin siya sa upuan po niya. And after nun is, maglalagay lang po tayo ng blanket. Cover blanket po sa legs po ng patient. And after that, if may suot po tayong gloves po, tatanggalin lang po natin and we'll be performing hand hygiene natin. So now, transfer naman po ng patient from chair to bed po. So syempre, we're going to remove this po. And then, gamit po yung gate belt is, i-assist natin yung patient paupo po ulit sa bed. Okay. And then, tatanggalin po natin yung footwear niya. position po. Ayan. Okay po. Pag nakaganyan na po si patient, syempre naka-lower po yung side rail niya. Please, ipapwesto po natin ang comfortable na yung patient. After po nun is pwede na natin i-raise yung side rail niya and perform hand hygiene again. Comfortable na po yung patient natin. That's